I'm back with snack crate video that just got started. So yes, I have had choco pies before. They are really, really yummy. And I just wanted to show you guys a choco pie in case you guys have not seen a choco pie. So yeah, let's go on to the next snack. I see something in this box that's actually really familiar to me. I thought the choco pie was the only thing that was familiar to me, but I see another thing in this box that is also familiar to me. So we have this. Again, I have not all these snacks I've not seen before. Again, I'll tell you guys when I know what snack is the one that I've seen before, besides the choco pie. Anyway, this again I have not seen. This I have got in a snack for I believe a few months back. It's like this grape taffy gum stuff. You will think it's like you think it's like taffy, but it's like not, and you think it's like gum. It's not. See, it's like it's like wrapped in this like stuff. So see, they have like individual little like. See, it's like, yeah, it comes with like 3 pieces, and I have got this in snack crate before because I know I have. It's like this like grape taffy, grape gum. So it comes with 7 pieces, and they just look like this. They're in these little wrappers that are purple, and they're kind of taffy. They're kind of like gum, but they're easy to chew. Again, I don't know what it is. I think it's I think it's gum. I think I think it's taffy. Again, I don't know because I don't have any little list that tells me what things are and what things are not. So it's like, it smells like grape. Okay, tastes really good. It's not gum. I have a feeling it's taffy. Because it's not hard to chew at all. It's actually easy to chew. It looks like this. I like it. I personally love it. It's like maybe like a 6 or 7. It's pretty good. I like it. It's like taffy, but it's more easy to chew than taffy because taffy is usually hard. This is like good stuff. It tastes like grape. It's way better than these. It's way better than these elderberry grape things. These are freaking disgusting. But this is way better. It's like grape taffy. You get 7 pieces in here. This is yummy. I love this. This is like super good. I love it. I can't say anything good else about it. It's tasty. Then we have this. It's kind of feels squishy. Again, I don't know what any of this is, except for this because I have got this grape taffy in another snack crate. I just can't remember which one I got it in, but it was a few months ago because I remember having it. And next we have this. Again, I don't know what any of this is, except for the choco pie, that grape taffy, and something else that I'll pull out in a minute. I don't know what this is. It kind of feels like a cookie. Has these cute little squirrels and everything on it. Again, I don't know what they're saying because I don't speak Korean. It's a cookie. It's a legit cookie. Oopsie daisy. Easy. You want it? It's just a chocolate chip cookie. So soft. It's okay. It's not one of my favorite cookies that I've had because I've had way better cookies than this. It is good though. It's not the best cookie I've had because I've had better cookies than this, but it is a good cookie. I love it. It tastes good. I recommend it. I give it probably an 8. Really, really good. Then we have this again. I've had something similar to this. It's by the LOTTE brand. Just like the chocolate pie is by LOTTE brand. It's a custard. I don't know if this is like a custard cream or something, but it is by the brand Best Choice, or maybe LOTTE. It says Best Choice. It gives you a little tear strip. It's been around since 1989. It's a custard, so it's a cream cake. Sponge soft cakes filled with rich custard cream. There. And the allergen is egg, wheat, gluten, soy, and milk. Personally, I think it looks really good and really yummy. So this kind of reminds me of the chocolate pie, only it's custard type. It's a custard cream cake, sponge soft cake filled with rich custard cream. So I've had something similar to this before, but not the exact same thing. It smells good. Super soft. Just, it melts in your mouth. Really good. Really flaky. Probably a 7 or 8. Good. I like it. Melts in your mouth. Really soft, really creamy. That's a good one. What? I've had something similar to this again. I've had something similar to this. This is like a jelly tube that you squirt in your mouth. It's like jelly. I'm not going to open it because it would make a huge mess. But it's like a little jelly tube that you squeeze in your mouth. I also don't like these things one bit. They taste like jelly. I don't like them, but and they come in different flavors. They have like tons and tons of different flavors of these, different flavors, different colors, different. These come in different flavors. I don't know what flavor this one is again because it won't tell me. Maybe mango. I think it's mango flavored because it has mangoes on over it. But they come in different flavors. I don't like mango, so I'll say this for someone who does like mango. It's like a jelly straw. Some people call it jelly straw. Some people call it jelly sticks. I just don't like these. This looks like it's mango flavor. And I have had those before, and they are not my favorite. Okay. So, the last 4 items. This I have tried before in a snack crate. This I have tried before. So there's actually a lot of snacks in this snack crate that I've tried in previous snack crates or I've tried before in general. It's like I think it's like a chocolate biscuit. It says it's European luxury wafers. Yeah, it's waffles. Yeah, waffles. European luxury waffles. They're nope. I don't like these. These are like a wafer, but they're a waffle. I don't. I've gotten those in I've gotten these in snack crate before and I do not like them. I'm not even gonna try and bite into one because I don't like when I licked it. I do not like the flavor of it. I already tried biting into one, but I have got these in snack crate before and absolutely hated them. So I do not like these. Then we have another one of those jelly straws. This is grape. Again, I do not like these jelly straws. You might, because they might be your favorite Korean or favorite snack or candy in the entire world. I just don't like them. It's like they're basically, how can I describe it? It's like grape juice, kind of. Only it's like in jelly form. And they have them in like strawberry, blueberry. They have like all different flavors. So they gave me mango, and they also gave me mango and grape. Even though I love grape, I'm not gonna open this because it will make a mess. But I do love grape. And then the last two things we have here are a French pie. I don't like that. Nope, 0. Then the last but not least thing we have is this. It's this noodle snack. I'm not going to pronounce the word. I have got this before in our snack crate. I just can't remember which type. It's basically a ramen snack. Basically, it comes with spices. First thing you do is you put the spice in there, and then you shake it. I've gotten this before in a different flavor, and I loved it. So we'll see if I like this one. So this you actually don't boil this. You just eat it right out of the thing. So first thing you do is I'm trying to remember. You pour in the packet while the noodles are still in their form, and then you pour in the seasoning while they're still in their form, in their solid state, and then you close the bag and you smack the pack so that all these noodles get crunched up, and then you shake so that all the seasoning gets evenly distributed through the noodles. This is probably one of my favorite things. I've gotten this before. I don't remember what snack crate or what flavor it was, but it's really good. These are noodles that don't need boiling. So you want to open this up first, take the seasoning packet out, pour the seasoning in, and then hold on to the bag really tight, and then crush the ramen with your fist, and then shake it, and then all the noodles should be evenly distributed. Or not noodles, seasoning. So, yeah, basically, I'm giving Daisy some of the noodle right now because right now while it's in this state, it does not it's not it's just plain noodle. There's no seasoning on it right now. I'm not so I want to give her a piece of the noodle before I put on the seasoning because after I put on the seasoning, she won't be able to have it because this seasoning kind of makes it spicy and I don't want her to have it. So I don't think I've tried this flavor before. This bulgogi flavor. If you want to make this easier, like I just made a mess, you can actually, if you want to, you can put this ramen in a bowl. I did just give her a piece because I want her to be able to have a piece before I put the seasoning on it. I have not tried this flavor, but what I have tried, they are hot, or not hot, but they kind of have like a chicken flavor to them, and I don't want her to have that. So I'm doing this. If you want to be more safer, you can always put this ramen in a bowl. Smells really good, actually. So I think I did do that wrong. You were actually supposed to you were supposed to actually open the pack. No, you were supposed to crunch the noodles, then open the pack, then take the seasoning out of the packet once the noodles were crunched because you crunch the noodles first, then you open the pack once the noodles are crushed. You open the pack, the ramen packet, or not ramen packet, the packet of noodles to reveal the ramen spice packet. Then you pour the spice packet or flavor packet into the noodles once they're crushed. So yeah. They're okay. They're kind of stale. But yeah, I did that the wrong way. But so yeah, in total we got a lot of snacks. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. maybe 16, 17.